Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the absolute best way to customize your favorite Android applications using the official Revanced Manager app. To kick things off, ensure you have both the latest Revanced Manager and the GMC Core APK files installed on your smartphone to allow seamless Google account login support. Next, instead of using your pre-installed apps, download the specific recommended version of the target app's APK file directly from a trusted source like APK Mirror, making sure to select the standard APK rather than a bundled version. And remember not to install it yet. Now, launch your Revanced Manager, head to the Patcher tab at the bottom. Tap on Select an Application and choose the Storage option to locate that freshly downloaded APK file. The manager will automatically load the optimal set of default patches, which includes premium features like background playback and ad blocking capabilities. Simply tap the Patch button at the bottom right and allow the process to compile completely without closing the app, which might take a brief couple of minutes depending on your processing speeds. Once the text log finishes loading, tap Install, approve any unknown app permissions if prompted, and launch your fully modified app. Subscribe the channel for more videos.